In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Oberlo on Google Chrome. So this is actually quite simple. All you need to do is go to Google and then search for the Chrome web store. I'll do that right now. Just like that. Go to the Chrome web store, search the store, and then search for Oberlo. Then right there you'll find the product, and then you can see I've already got it installed. So in order for me to actually install it, I'll just do this real quick. And by the way, I'm pretty sure I don't have to do this. So if I just refresh, you can see that you can click on add to Chrome right there, add extension, and there you go. So you can then sign up for an account, and there you go. So because I already have an account, I'm already automatically sending to my dashboard, but you can just create your own account, and that's how you can install Oberlo on Chrome. So if this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.